Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Oster 3-piece frying set. The Oster Sangerfield 3.65 Quart stainless steel deep fryer set. Whether you're a home cook or just looking for reliable cookware to upgrade your kitchen, this set offers a blend of durability, versatility, and performance that's worth exploring. Starting with the design, the Oster Sangerfield deep fryer set is crafted from stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek, modern look but also ensures long-lasting durability. The set includes 3 essential pieces: the deep fryer pot itself, a chrome-plated fryer basket, and a vented glass lid. This combination is perfect for frying, boiling, and cooking a variety of dishes with ease. The deep fryer pot has a 3.65 quart oil capacity, making it ideal for small to medium batches of fried foods. This size allows you to prepare enough food for your family without wasting oil or taking up too much space on your stovetop. Speaking of the stovetop, the Oster Sangerfield is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, giving you flexible cooking options. However, it's important to note that it is not suitable for induction stovetops. One feature that stands out is the pan hook on the wire basket. This handy detail allows you to drain excess oil right back into the pot, reducing mess and waste. The basket's chrome plating adds to its durability, ensuring it won't easily rust or wear down even after repeated use. The pot also features riveted handles, designed to provide strength and withstand the heat of everyday cooking. Heat distribution is crucial in any frying setup, and this fryer features a 1mm aluminum encapsulated bottom. This design promotes even heat across the surface, preventing hot spots that can burn your food. This means your fries, chicken, or tempura will cook evenly every time, producing that perfect crispy texture. When it comes to cleaning, the Oster Sangerfield is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup straightforward. After frying, simply place the pot, basket, and lid in your dishwasher, and you're done. This ease of maintenance makes it practical for frequent use without the hassle of hand-washing stubborn oil residues. The vented glass lid is another thoughtful inclusion. It allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid and losing heat. The vents help release steam, which can prevent oil from bubbling over and keeps your kitchen safer while you cook. The entire set is lightweight, with the fryer weighing just about 2 pounds, which makes it easy to handle and store. Its dimensions are compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops or stovetops without crowding your cooking area. Whether you're making fried chicken, donuts, or even boiling small batches of pasta or vegetables, the Oster Sangerfield 3-piece deep fryer set adapts well to your kitchen needs. Its sturdy construction, thoughtful design features, and versatility make it a reliable choice for anyone wanting to enjoy fried foods at home. To sum up, the Oster Sangerfield is a high-quality stainless steel deep fryer set that combines style, function, and durability. Its medium size, ease of cleaning, and compatibility with various stovetops make it an excellent addition to your cookware collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your frying game with a trusted and durable set, the Oster Sangerfield 3-piece deep fryer set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.